background is in design in very large scale. I used to be a home builder, and I designed houses from start to finish, from the layout to the landscaping to the furniture, cabinetry, septic systems, everything. And so why would I be so interested in kind of dedicating my life to this at this point? It really is because in my housing business, my desire was to elevate people's life experience from the heart and soul of where they exist and go out into the world from. And the reason why this has almost the same impact is because this can touch and elevate the experience of every diner at every meal that they ever have worldwide. And so I'm really determined to give diners that sense of comfort while they're eating. If you want to take a look at the brochures, you will be able to get an idea of the different styles and designs that we have and the different design aesthetics. The materials that I've chosen that are as easy to maintain as possible while still having a really strong visual impact. I've got metals, which include stainless steel, which are of course the most durable and basically indestructible. And those are in this case, and afterwards you're welcome to come up and take a look. They've got quite a weight to them. I've got the wood, and the woods are made in 3 materials. First you've got beech wood, and what I kind of love about those is what almost everyone who sees the cases the first time, almost every time they zero in on those beech woods because there's something organic that we respond to, and your customers will as well when they see those on the table. The walnut and the actual beech wood, B-E-E-C-H, and I chose those because they're used most often in wooden spoons, cutting boards, and wooden bowls, and they do last quite a long time. The beech wood, surprisingly enough, actually is dishwasher safe because, as you can imagine, it's been kind of beat up by the water in the ocean for a long time, and they are sterile. They've been in salt water. Salt water kills bacteria, so they are ready to go. So that covers that one. Over here, if you can see, we've got the marble and the natural stone, so travertine and marble. We've got Carrara marble, buttercream, chestnut colored, a black one that goes very nicely in upscale restaurants. And then for the higher maintenance materials, we've got solid copper, solid brass, and solid aluminum. Aluminum is higher maintenance, but it is lower cost. So if you want that silver look, as opposed to the slightly higher cost of the stainless steel, then this is a good one. But this one's zero maintenance, this one's a little bit higher maintenance.